YouTube, what is up? It's your boy TJ back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down a trade that I took on GBP USD and show y'all how exactly I look at the market and how I execute to get in these positions. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you're looking at price action right now, this is actually currently where price is on GU. So I'm gonna go back and break down what I saw as far as getting to the trade and everything. So let me go ahead and hit this replay tool here, and I'm gonna go ahead and erase the chart, make everything clear. So I usually start off on a 4-hour time frame just to see where the market is going and get an overall view of how the market is moving, right? So if I'm on the 4-hour time frame, what do I see? I see price had pushed up, had a push down, a little retracement, and then price actually broke structure down to the downside. So where price is right now, it did another retracement. So with this retracement here, I said, okay, I had a breaker structure right here. Go ahead and label that a breaker structure. Um, and then I know after a breaker structure, price never goes like straight down. Like price has to go come back and retrace in some type of way, right? So after I did that, I went on a 15-minute time frame, right? So after the 15-minute time frame, I'm here. Um, I waited for price since price already came back, and this was that 4-hour breaker structure right here. Price came back into that 4-hour area of interest that I had. I said that I need to see some type of breaker structure on a 15-minute to the downside. So what I mean by breaker structure, if this is the 4-hour time frame here, let's just say we had this move, we had the breaker structure down. This is the move that I was looking at, right? So this is major structure here, and this is just a little tutorial how I look at the market. This is the 4-hour structure here that I'm looking at. On the 15, what I'm looking for is for this leg, right? So if I'm looking at this leg come back up on the 15-minute time frame, I need to see some type of break of structure happening, going down to the downside, get that pullback, and then I will get in on this pullback to continue down to the downside, right? So back to the trade. If we're looking at structure on the 15-minute time frame, I see that we had this push up, retracement, push up. Now, when I saw this right here, this is what I consider to be the pullback, right? So if I'm looking for price to break structure down to the downside, it would have to break this, and then I look for a move. So something like this, and then I would have caught it coming down, right? So what I did was, if I can get two confluence, like two pushes going down, right? So boom, price came down. It didn't break any structure. These two red candles are not structured to me. I need to see something to this effect, right? Boom. And then I would have got in on here. This would have been my breaker structure here. And then I would have rode it down to the downside, right? So let's fast forward a little bit to see what price did. Boom. So price gave me that breaker structure down to the downside, right? And I said, okay, cool. I still wasn't convinced, right? I could have took the trade here coming back in, and I could have took it on the bottom of this, put my stops above the high, right? Would have been about 13. I probably would have did like a 15 pip stop loss right here, right? So let's go ahead and fast forward it. Price played around, it went up, it didn't pass this area. So I said, let me get another confluence, right? So I'm gonna take this off. Let me get another confluence of price pushing down, and then I'll try to, get an entry on it. So fast forward, price broke structure again. So we had two breaker structures. Oh, not right there. One right here. And then we had another one right here. Now at this point, I was confident in the trade. And I'm gonna let it play out. layout, boom. So right there is where I had my entry. We had a 15-minute order block right here sitting. Um, I took my entry right here, put my stop loss above here. So I did a 20 pip stop loss just to give myself a little bit of room to get this out the way. And from there, it was history. I was actually targeting down to these areas here. And you see, let the trade ride. And boom, TP was hit. So I took this trade overnight, placed it, went to sleep, and that was it. So that was a great trade. And again, I just wanted to give y'all a little small video to show y'all how exactly I get into trades and what I look for when I'm about to execute the trade. So I hope this video was very beneficial to your trade journey and that you can use some of the tips that I gave you um, in this video. But if you're watching this video right now, you stop and you subscribe and like the video and share the video. I would be greatly appreciative. And again, thank each and every one of y'all who actually came back to watch my relaunch video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'm going to tag my Discord link to the Profit Getters Discord down in the description. And again, make sure you subscribe and like this video. It's been good, man. Peace.